In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask in Framer in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and transform your Framer projects with ease. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for Framer. Once you've navigated to their website, log into your Framer account. If you haven't created one yet, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward process. This is your starting point to begin working on your project. Now, with your canvas ready, choose the image, video, or component you wish to apply a mask to. It's important to select the right element because this will be the base layer for all your masking endeavors. Once you've made your selection, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the interface where you'll find the Styles panel. This panel is pivotal in adjusting not only masks, but also a variety of style properties for your layers. As you locate the Styles panel, you'll see the mask property nestled within. Click on it to start experimenting with different masking techniques. You've got two primary options here: gradient masks and image masks. If you opt for a gradient mask, an alpha gradient is applied by default, and you can edit it directly on the canvas. This is where things get creative. You can rotate, add, and reposition the gradient stops to control which parts of your element remain visible or hidden. This flexibility allows for a dynamic and visually interesting design. Alternatively, if image masks are more your style, you can upload your own PNG, SVG, or GIF image to serve as the mask. This method gives you the opportunity to inject a bit of personal flair into your project, using custom graphics to shape the visibility of your elements. Now, let's talk customization. If you're working with gradient masks, you can adjust both the positions and the alpha values of the gradient stops. This means you have precise control over how much of the content is obscured or revealed. For those using image masks, you can modify the sizing and positioning of your images to fit just right on your layer. Moving on to more advanced techniques, you can stack multiple masks on a single layer. This means you can combine them using compositing modes, such as add, subtract, intersect, or exclude for more sophisticated visual effects. Lastly, don't forget that the mask property isn't just limited to static elements. You can apply it to components and responsive elements, which is especially useful when designing for different breakpoints like mobile and tablet layouts. And that's how you mask in Framer. By understanding these steps and techniques, you're well equipped to enhance your designs and create visually captivating projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.